Good morning, class 10. Today we will discuss the physical properties of nonmetals. So let's start. Physical properties of nonmetals are just opposite of properties of metals. So we will talking first physical state. Nonmetals can exist in all three states of matter. It can exist in solid state, liquid state and in gaseous states. Few nonmetals which can exist in solid state, they are phosphorus, sulfur, carbon, diamond, graphite, which are the form of carbon. They are exist in solid state. While one nonmetal, that is bromine, it can exist in liquid state. And most of the nonmetals can exist in gaseous state. For example, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, helium, neon, argon, these all nonmetals are exist in gaseous state. If we are talking about the hardness, nonmetals are soft as compared to the metals. Solid nonmetals like sulfur, graphite and phosphorus, they are also soft. One nonmetal which is exception, that is diamond, which is a form of carbon. This is hardest known substance in the world. This is only the nonmetal which is hard. Now next property we have, that is luster. Nonmetals are non-lustrous. They do not have shine on their surface. Only few nonmetals which are exceptions, they are iodine, diamond and graphite, they have luster. When we are talking about the melting and boiling points of nonmetals, nonmetals have low melting and boiling points. Those nonmetals which exist in solid state, they have a little high melting and boiling point. Comparatively, the gaseous nonmetals, if we are talking the conductivity, electrical and thermal conductivity, nonmetals are poor conductor of heat and electricity both. This is because there are no free electrons present in the nonmetals atom which are responsible for the electrical conductivity. Only one exception, that is graphite. Graphite can conduct electricity. Next property we have malleability and ductility. Nonmetals are non-malleable. It means they do not beaten into thin sheets, and non-ductile, they do not drawn into thin wires. Nonmetals are also non-sonorous. They do not produce sound when they struck by hard object. One main characteristic of nonmetal is nonmetals are brittle. It means when we beat in the nonmetal, they can break into pieces. For example, sulfur on hammering breaks into pieces. If we are talking about the density, nonmetals have low density. This is because mostly nonmetals are exist in molecular form. For example, hydrogen H2, nitrogen N2, oxygen O2. So these nonmetals exist in molecular form because we know that density is mass per unit volume. Due to large molecular size of nonmetals, they have more volume and hence they have low density. For example, the density of sulfur is 1.82 gram per centimeter cube and density of phosphorus is 2.10 gram per centimeter cube. These two are the solid nonmetals. They have low density. Then think about the gaseous nonmetal. They have very low density. Thus, we can say that physical properties of nonmetals are just opposite of that of metals. Students, in the next video we will discuss chemical properties of metals. Thank you.